What's good, y'all? It's KreativeKera here, back with another video. So first things first, I'm gonna stop screaming on the track and just talk to you, do my intro that way. I'm not gonna scream what's good anymore. We going to a new level. Anyways, I'm here to give you guys an update on my interior design, my home decor business, and a little bit of changes that's gonna be happening with this channel. So first of all, a lot of you guys came to this channel because of my business video, how to start a business with $500. And we're going back on that track. So the reason why I've been posting a lot of interior design videos is because my home decor business is going to have two parts. One is going to be me offering design services, whether it's virtual or in person, and I'll pick out the furniture, do the install, give you a consultation, that type of thing. But also on the other side, I'm actually going to sell physical products. So I will be selling, I'm not going to tell you all the products that I will be selling because it's a work in progress, and one that I actually have to collaborate with a lot of people to get this one piece of the puzzle together. But so far, what I want to tell you guys about is I will be creating pillows, and I will be creating candles, hand poured, handmade candles. So just to give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek, here are some of the candles I've been working on. I can't hold three at the same time, and they smell amazing. But I'm still working on getting a formula going, and just to make sure that everything's perfect. So I'll be taking you on that journey. Like I said, I'm also gonna be selling pillows and a few other items that I'm still working hard on and I don't want to talk about just yet. But these are my candles. This one, I bought some unique scents that I think you guys are gonna love. Oh, smell it. As you can see, this one a little ratchet looking, but that's why we practice. Okay, practice makes perfect. This one is real ratchet looking. It's a black candle, supposed to be black, but we're getting there. So yeah, just wanted to update you on my home decor business. I think this is the vessel that I'm going to be going with for now till I make some more money, and then I can go get nicer vessels for my candles. But guys, I'm going to label this. I ordered tops for them. I feel like they're going to be fabulous. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep talking about what's happening with my channel, little updates with me. So those are two things that are definitely solidified that is gonna go for the home decor part of the business. Now, the interior design part of the business is gonna be me offering mood boards, virtual design services, as well as in-person design services in the greater New York area. So that's why you've been seeing so many design videos, because I want to get them out there, just get the practice with doing them, see what I can do better. So because ultimately those videos are going to be promotional content for my business. So that's what's going on. I also want to give you guys an update on the direction that this channel is going in, because I love all you, literally I have 2,600 subscribers right now, and that may not be a lot to some, but it's a lot to me. I started YouTube 1 year ago. I think I have about 20 videos, and this is not something that I have been consistently doing because I wanted to make sure that YouTube was something that I actually enjoyed doing and it didn't take away from my other ventures that I want to go on. So at this point, I'm invested, I'm monetized, and I want to make great content that aligns with the other parts of my business. So guys, I've been working hard. I did a full house install, including a bathroom, a bedroom, a dining room, and a kitchen area, all by myself pretty much. So you've seen the bathroom so far. And that's the only video that I posted from that house. So I still have 3 other videos coming of the bedroom installation and design, the kitchen area, and also the dining room area. And then I'm actually doubling back to that house, and we're going to be doing the living room area as well. So there are going to be a lot more interior design videos, and I hope you guys enjoy them just as much as you're going to enjoy my new business videos. And I hope to kind of make that mesh so you kind of understand what my channel is about. I've never really sat down with you guys and just talked and said like, hey, you know, this is what's going on. I don't want you to be confused by my channel, but I also really appreciate every single one of you who leave likes, who leave comments, who just watch the videos. Like, from the bottom of my heart, I seriously appreciate all you guys. So I'm in a little bit of different background. I'm actually going to be moving next month, so there'll be a lot of content on getting my new apartment together. It's just gonna be a lot of changes right here around KreativeKera, okay? So I'm excited. Also, to let you guys know that my business name is Lace Spaces, and I'll reveal my logo here for you guys because I said I was going to my last video, but I didn't. So yeah, I'm very excited for these changes. Get ready to see some different stuff on this channel. I'm gonna do like a whole candle making series of like my experience with making candles. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my labels, how I brand my website, how I make packaging, how I get packaging. Like, the channel is about to go up, okay? It's about to be real different, and I'm really excited to just kind of share that with you guys. So I did a poll to see what kind of content you guys wanted to see. One said more business videos, one said more interior design videos. Only 2 comments. So thank y'all 2 people who commented. I appreciate you, okay? So that's what I'm gonna be doing. That's the kind of direction that my channel is going through anyway. As you'll see, time goes on, stuff will be rebranded a little bit, more fun, more kooky, more just of my personality, because I was looking at some of my videos and I'm like, girl, they not seeing your personality shine. Like, they're not seeing the shine. So I'm gonna make it shine, because ultimately I think I have a great personality, and I kind of got lost in like the numbers, like, oh, I want to be I want to be at this point by this month and have this many subscribers and blah blah blah. No, I'm falling back from that, and I really just want to enjoy what I'm doing and take you guys on a journey and ultimately like help people, because anybody who knows me, they know I love helping people. I love like telling people where to go, how to do things. I research stuff a lot. Like, anything that I want to do or I'm interested in, I'll spend mad time researching it. I don't know if that's like a defect or what, but I will spend mad time researching it. And the YouTube channel, that was my purpose, to like share that with stuff. And I kind of got lost in the sauce of like, you know, you watch all those videos on YouTube about like, oh, how you can make $1 million on YouTube in a month and blah, blah, blah. I got lost in that. I got lost in trying to make sure my videos are ranking and numbers, and trying to make content that I wasn't even really wanted to make. So I'm taking back control of my channel, and I'm going on a different direction. And like, this business stuff, guys, it's been so fun to me. Like, I love everything that I'm doing. So I can't wait to just be an entrepreneur full time between YouTube, interior design, and home decor. I think it's going to be great. And also, I want to show people that you can make your home beautiful for not that much money, and that a designer doesn't have to be so far-fetched. Like, I know there's enough luxury designers out there. There's enough people who need $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 budgets. I don't need to do that. I want to be affordable for people, and I want people to really be able to have beautiful homes on a budget, a normal person's budget. You know, someone who's making $70,000, $80,000 a year, you know, even 50 or 40, I want to be your go-to girl to get you right. So I really just want to thank you guys for sticking around with me while I figure this whole YouTube thing out. I will, like I said, I showed you my logo. I will show you my next videos, how I start to brand, how my candle making process is going, and we'll go from there. So thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.